In Japan, gods exist in nature.
To understand the deeper meaning of the Akko incident, we must understand the political structure of Edo Japan. Power was layered. The emperor, representing ancient imperial lineage, remained the symbolic sovereign. The shogun, representing military authority, governed daily administration. These two sources of legitimacy coexisted in delicate balance. Asano Naganori had been appointed to perform ceremonial duties related to the imperial court. In other words, he was acting in service of the emperor's ritual dignity. When he attacked Kira Yoshinaka inside Edo Castle, the shogunate responded immediately. He was ordered to commit seppuku. His domain was abolished. The punishment was swift and absolute. Now consider the tension. If it were publicly emphasized that a man serving imperial ceremony had been severely punished by the military government, this could have fueled criticism. It could have strengthened those who favored greater imperial authority. It could have destabilized the balance between court and shogunate. The 47 retainers stood inside this fragile structure. They had choices. They could have turned their lord into a political martyr. They could have framed the event as injustice by the shogunate. They could have appealed to anti-Tokugawa sentiment. They did not. In their formal declaration, they did not denounce the shogunate. They did not call for rebellion. They did not invoke the emperor. They limited their action to a continuation of their lord's dispute with Kira. And after completing that act, they surrendered to the authorities. In doing so, they prevented the incident from becoming a wider political rupture. They bore the consequence themselves. They did not transfer blame to the structure of governance. From this perspective, their action can be seen not as an attempt to challenge the state, but as a decision to contain disorder within their own lives. They fulfilled loyalty and then accepted law. They did not seek to overturn the system. They chose to preserve its stability, even at the cost of their lives. Whether one agrees with their decision or not, this restraint is historically significant. It suggests that their ultimate concern was not factional victory, but preventing wider unrest. And perhaps this is one reason why they were later remembered not as rebels, but as men who carried tension upon themselves so that the country would not fracture.